Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna to all the dear friends. How are you? So I decided to make this practice video over here. I found the time for a morning walk. Morning walk is becomes interesting for me because it's not only about the walking. You can also walk on the road, but walking on the road is not something that I really like because there is so much of dirt and not very hygienic. The roads are not clean, even though they are not like very bad, but still you find things on road that you do not want to see or come across through. Right? And then there is traffic on the roads and there are vehicles, and then there is smoke pollution. So the thing about walking gets disturbed when you walk on the road, right? But still, if it's a good option if you do not have a park nearby. And also sometimes always trying to walk on a park also becomes monotonous because same place. So then the roads are an option, and people do walk and run on roads for sure. So for right now, I think the view is good one. See, I like to sit here and just take a look at this. This place, I have a problem of cervical spondylitis also. So those who know about it, they know that it causes headache and very slight dizziness also, because it is a disturbance in your nerves. So I when I suffer from those kind of problems, because they keep coming, then I come to this place, and it is somewhat soothing and healing. And I would want to tell you it many times, just by being at this place and being close to the nature, my pain actually got cured. So do you find these flowers beautiful? See, I think they're lovely, and there is much more for me to show you. What I don't like is that if someone is passing close to me, because it really appears or looks strange that making videos this way, because it's not a very common thing for people of my age. Actually, little children and young adults can do anything. Let's say I am also not too old, but I don't know why I have not been into. So look at this flower. This is daisy flower, I think. Yes, earlier I used to think that these are sunflowers, but you see, daisy flower, daisy. I have got this one at my home also, but in homes we have only pots to plant flowers, and so they do not grow, or they do not blossom like this as they do here in the soil, where there is no limit for the roots to grow, because as big and as dense the roots will be, the better would be the plant and the flower. So this is how it looks like from here, and this is how it looks like from here. So what do you think? My practice, is it going well? I know that I do not really have 100% command, but I think I manage quite well sometimes. So this is top view. Okay, so what more do I say? Nowadays I face this problem of finding the topic for the practice. Earlier, like 15 days ago, I always had topics to say something about, and that time I used to think that I will never fall short of topics, because every time my mind, there is something going on, right? But now whenever I try to make this video, I have to really think what to speak. So if you have noticed, I just speak anything nowadays without any topic. And I think there is always not the necessity to speak on a topic. You can speak just generally. It's more about practice. So I would like to suggest you people also that if you want to practice, there is no necessity of any topic. See, it is not like some debate competition or some speech competition where you have to focus on one topic only. We are freestyle practicers. We are freestyle practicers. We can speak on anything, even though it does not make any sense, because the idea is to communicate what's going in your mind through the language of English in good fluency, good grammar, I mean the right grammar and pronunciation. So that is the main idea. So do you like this view? I have shown in previous videos that huge banyan tree, or I think it would not be correct to call it one tree. It is a group of trees, or I have told in detail about this, the props of banyan tree that come from branches to the soil to support the hugeness or the vastness of the tree, and then they become like trunks also. Did I show you? It is one of my initial videos, practice videos. This place never stops fascinating me. I was a kid, I was 11 years of age. Since then I have been coming, and it has always been very interesting and fascinating for me. That is my motorcycle, Hanumanji. Can you see Hanumanji on my motorcycle? In starting, Shri Rajesh Kumar Katheria actually saw me practicing, and he was curious to understand that what am I doing. So I told him. So आप कब से हैं यहाँ पे?
मैं यहाँ वैसे पोस्टिंग हमारी सन 97 की है।
97। अच्छा।
6 साल झांसी रहा, 14 साल मैनपुरी रहा, 2016 इटावा आया।
अच्छा। तो यहाँ पर आपका जो जॉब है वो कैसा एडहॉक बेसिस पे है या?
नहीं, मैं गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हूँ।
अच्छा, परमानेंट। अच्छा, बढ़िया।
सन 97 की पोस्टिंग है।
97 से यहीं पर। ओके।
15 दिन नाइट में रहता हूँ, 15 दिन में रहता हूँ।
अच्छा, तो रहना कहाँ? आवास किधर है? इधर
हमारे यहाँ विजयनगर चौराहे पर स्वयं का मकान।
अच्छा, स्वयं का। अरे तो बहुत बढ़िया बात। तो फिर टावा ही सेटल हो गए ना? ठीक।
बड़ा बेटा मेरा एमटेक कर रहा है, छोटा बेटा
एमटेक कर रहा है। कहाँ से कर रहा है?
आगरा से।
अच्छा, किस चीज़ में?
सिविल से।
सिविल में। बीटेक कहाँ से किया है?
बीटेक भी आगरा से।
अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया। ठीक है, थैंक यू। तो कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंग्लिश? थोड़ा बहुत समझ लेते हैं इंग्लिश? कोई बात नहीं, कोई ज़्यादा ज़रूरी भी नहीं है। ठीक है फिर। ओके। So he was very curious about what I'm doing with mobile and camera. So I think there has been enough of practice, and it was an interesting thing that happened today. Usually I avoid people watching me, but then this guy was really curious at what am I doing, and he actually approached me about this. So I thought that it's okay for a change. Let's show him in the video. How is the sky? The sky has clouds. The ground has grass. These leaves, they will fall. They will fall, and then new leaves will come. You see, these flowers, beautiful flowers, they will also fall. All of them will fall, but then new flowers will come. Circle of life, right? But these flowers come from these 5 elements, or any living thing comes from these 5 elements. Soil, water, and the sky, the fire, and the air, right? Basically, I did not say about the chemical compounds, but these are the major 5 elements. And this all the living life is the play of these 5 elements. So it's a kind of arrangement of these 5 elements that these flowers have appeared, and anything, you and me, have appeared, and then we go back to these 5 elements again, and then new things to come. So this is about my practice. Thank you for listening. I don't know if you find it interesting or not, but that is not my objective, because I'm not a comedian to make things interesting. I only practice, and I want you to also practice, because believe me, dear friends, English is a very useful language. Of course, Hindi is our mother tongue, but then English is a very useful language. Keep practicing. So once again, I will go close to the flowers. So with this view, I leave you. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.